preparation starts with the bottom layer. Add 125 grams of butter to a pot. Then 100 grams of sugar. Pour in 100 milliliters of milk. Add 100 grams of chopped hazelnut caramels. These are hazelnut caramels, chopped to make them melt easier. Take the pot to the stove. Melt caramels on medium heat, stirring constantly so the mixture doesn't boil. It's fine if it boils slightly. When the caramels melt completely, remove from heat. As soon as removed from heat, add 300 grams of ground biscuit. The mixture should look like this. Set it aside for now. Next, prepare a baking tray. The tray should be 20 by 20 centimeters. I've placed a divider here, so the dessert isn't too thin. Pour the entire mixture into the tray. Once smoothed, melt 100 grams of white chocolate with 2 tablespoons of oil. Shake the tray a little for an even layer before placing it in the fridge. In a pot, add 200 grams of sugar and melt it on low heat. Once the sugar melts, ensure it doesn't darken too much. Pour in 100 milliliters of milk. Add 125 grams of margarine or butter. Mix until it melts and combines. Lower the heat and continue mixing until the ingredients are fully combined. Work over medium to low heat so the mixture doesn't boil constantly. If some pieces remain unmelted, I'll show you what to do. Here's an example, like this. Increase heat to medium, and once it boils, cook for 2 minutes. Stir constantly to prevent the caramel from darkening or burning. After 2 minutes, remove from heat. Immediately add 200 grams of powdered milk. Blend everything with a mixer. And that's it. This part is done. Take the chilled first layer from the fridge and spread the caramel evenly over it. Don't prepare the caramel layer immediately after adding the glaze. Wait about 15 to 20 minutes instead. The chocolate needs more time to harden. This happens because it's placed over the hot biscuit layer. Spread the caramel slowly. Patience is needed here. Try to work carefully, depending on your patience level. The chocolate beneath will start melting. Use the tip of a spatula or spoon to spread it evenly. If the caramel feels too thick while mixing, as it does now, add a bit of milk, spoon by spoon, but only add a small amount. Pouring milk could ruin the texture. Add 2 to 3 spoons, then mix again thoroughly. Don't worry, the filling is firm enough. Wet the spatula to even out the surface neatly. Dip the spatula in milk to smooth the top layer of the dessert. The only thing left is to let it cool.